All right, what's going on, guys? It's Luke here. We had a small win today on eval. I was going to trade on funded, but I just didn't. I didn't really like how where price was delivering from this on this trade. It wasn't like an A plus setup, so I decided to just make some progress on an eval. So as you can see here, the executions. It was a very small in and out trade. I took two cons on this. So basically, price on NQ initially came down and ended up respecting out of this 15-minute bullish fair value gap to the left over here. Now, for me to want to take this on funded as an A plus trade, I was gonna want to see this London low, this 5 a.m. low get swept, and then see a reaction up from there. But we end up kind of delivering from this area right here after seeing this manipulation to the downside. And we had London high resting above, and right above London high, we had a 4-hour gap, which was also lined up with a 1-hour gap. And we had the CE point that we could use in there. From there, I basically scaled down and I was looking for, the highest time frame inverse. On the 5 minute, we end up getting a shift to the upside right here. And then we end up getting a retrace into a 3-minute bullish fair value gap right here. We come into this 3-minute gap, we get a tap off the CE point of the gap, and I enter as soon as this candle starts to push up. I get a bit of a late entry. I get in about 25,748, and I run my stops a bit below this 3-minute candle, and I basically just took full TP at the 1500 for the consistency. Now ideally I would have held this all the way to the CE point up here, which would have gave about just under 2R, but I ended up having to close out around in and around here just because I hit the 1500. So one and done trade today. I'll have the full recap still out on YouTube, even though it was eval. I'm still going to show you guys it, and that's it for me. I'll talk to you guys in the next